The MBTA has agreed to work to increase service to pre-pandemic levels, and we could get a much better idea of what that might look like later on today. As Nick Giovanni reports, T-Riders have the support of Boston's new mayor.
Mayor Janey was outside the Massachusetts Transportation Building this morning calling for full service to be restored as fast as possible, arguing that restoring transportation is essential to the recovery process.
MBTA service cuts shortchange the needs of Boston's workers and ignore the sacrifices they make each day to keep our city running. Service cuts make buses and trains more crowded and undermining our efforts to stop the spread of COVID-19.
Hours before the MBTA and Mass DOT boards were set to meet to discuss funding for the 2022 budget, Boston Mayor Kim Janey joined advocates and small business leaders at a press conference in support of fully funding subway, bus, ferry, and commuter rail service. That included small business owners like restaurateur Brian Moy.
We literally cannot reopen if our employees cannot come to us. If our customers cannot come to us during our normal business hours, we will not be able to survive.
Last week, the T agreed to work to increase service levels to pre-pandemic levels, but did not give an exact timeline. Advocates this morning called for clarity.
The Massachusetts economy only works when our transit system works. That ridership is going to come back. We want it to come back.
Mayor Janey announced her administration is launching a public transportation pilot program to support employees who work one of 5 Main Street districts: Nubian Square, 3 Squares, Mission Hill, East Boston, and Fields Corner.
For the period of March 29th through April 19th, we will provide nearly 1,000 workers with free Charlie cards preloaded with $60 each. We will also provide these workers with free 2-month blue bike passes.
To sign up, go to boston.gov/free ride. In Boston, Nick Giovanni, CBSN Boston.